Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a fettuccine Alfredo pasta with some broccoli. So first I like to get the water boiling, add some salt, and add the fettuccine in there and let it do its thing. While it's doing that, I added some flour in here along with some pink salt, garlic powder, black pepper, and then I sliced the chicken breast very thin so it can cook very well on all sides and it can be nice and crispy. And also make sure you rinse your veggies because you don't want that dirt in there. And today I'm going to be using the 4-cheese Alfredo. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to dip the chicken in the flour and make sure it's very well coated, but then you want to shake off the excess powder. Set it to the side, let it sit for a while. Repeat that for all the chicken pieces. Next, I'm going to air fry my chicken because it's way healthier. And I am using the Emerald's Power Air Fryer 360. Let me tell you guys, this is amazing. You can use it for literally anything. Now that it has preheated and it's starting to have to be quick, you spray the chicken. Spray it on both sides, just a little bit. And you put it in the air fryer. Gets a little sticky. Alrighty, and then we stick it in the air fryer. And I like to use this rack. Just evenly put it in there. And let it do its thing. And of course, if your time is running low on this thing, you just let it cook a little longer. And I did use the olive oil cooking spray. Roasting up, air frying. I'm going to add some water to the broccoli and steam it, boil it up for a little bit. Get it nice and soft. You want to get just enough to cover all the broccoli. Now that the pasta is nice and done, after you test it, make sure it's nice and tender. Nice and soft, I should say. You're going to drain it out. Be careful because it's hot. I only made a little bit, but drain it out and let it sit. It's been sitting for a while and you drained out all the water. I like to add some butter to the pot that it was just in and just swish it around. Add the pasta again and stir it around. It helps it not stick and butter tastes amazing. As you can see, it sticks everywhere. Chicken, and because it looks like there's 4 minutes left, it looks a little white, so I'm going to add some more time. Add more time. Well, I'll add more time once these 4 minutes down how I wanted. So I'm going to go ahead and restart it. I'm not going to leave it for the full 15 minutes, but it's just so it can stay on longer and I can watch it and I don't have to turn it off again. Once your veggies are boiling, make sure, careful because it's hot, you drain out all the water. And I like to roast them up a little bit in the oven because it makes them taste way better. And then you add some salt and pepper as well. Them out flat. You add a generous amount of salt and pepper to taste, however much you like. Olive oil. Finally, I simmer the Alfredo sauce. Pretty much all ready. This has simmered. These are done. Chicken is done. Pasta's done. You put it all together, so I will add some broccoli first. Then I add my piece of chicken. Scoop of the sauce, however much you'd like. I love sauce, so I add extra. And there's your meal. Chicken Alfredo sauce with some fettuccine. So fettuccine Alfredo with broccoli. Yummy.